before we begin carving, we're going to use the bandsaw to cut away the excess material, and the only reason we do that is to reduce the amount of carving time necessary to make the spoon. It's just a time saver, and you mustn't think that we're going to do this to form the piece that we're trying to make. So accuracy doesn't really count that much. If anything, instead of cutting right on this line, I'm going to cut alongside of it on the outside. It just means less material we have to cut away with our knife. But we'll just be going to be getting there very, very close. Watch how I do this. And incidentally, when I do cut it, I'm going to start from this end, and I'm going to cut up to this point or thereabouts and stop. And the same on the other side, and stop. And now I'll cut from this end, and I'll get almost to that point, about 1/8 of an inch away, and I'm going to stop. And the same on the other side, so that the block is going to be intact, so that I can cut the outline on the side view. This is how we do it. It's still one block. Now we're going to turn it on its side, and we're going to cut the side view out. Had I continued that cut, I wouldn't have the side view anymore. Now that's a side view of our spoon, and you see the top view here. I still have these sides to get rid of, but because I cut almost to the middle on one side and then almost to the middle on the other side, I can just snap these pieces off, and we have the rough out of the spoon that we're going to start to carve.